You know, I have make a big investment in Aruba. I buy a building and I bring a high sophisticated dental high technique. That cost me over 2 million florin, and I was treating over 1,000 patients. And everyone is happy and satisfied. And I bring a new technology to Aruba, which is Marby, with a screw inside the palate to help the people who snore, who has a sleep apnea. And doctor, a specialist of lungs, she referred me a patient, and they have been cured from sleep apnea by my technique. And I was established here with my family, my children. And the reason I came to Aruba is my children start study medicine at Xavier School of Medicine. And they finished. Now I have 3 children, doctor on medicine, familial doctor, Kaza doctor. And that's why the reason why I came here. And then when I came here, it's AZV who approached me, and they said to me that Dr. Walker is very old, that they need somebody to replace him. And I show her, my diploma is from France as orthodontist, but I study again 1 year as advanced clinical orthodontist to teach orthodontist. So now I am a teacher orthodontist, and I teach in big university like New York University, Las Vegas University, Nevada University, Montreal University. So I am teaching orthodontist, and you can see that on my Facebook. Go to my Facebook, Abdelhadi Kawaaiah, and you see how many in a month I teach. And but the minister, he denied the renewal of my permit, and he said that I don't have Dutch passport to my employee, and that my diploma is not a good quality. And then some doctor like Dr. Marsman, because I bought the land in the front of his clinic, he starts since 3 years saying that my diploma is false, and that I am not orthodontist or good orthodontist. So I do not reply to him. I never reply to anybody, because I am sure of my diploma, of my technique, of my way that I treat the patient. Everybody is happy with me. But the minister, he continued denying the permit. And then he said that with Aruba Bech, my qualification is not good. But, and then they create suddenly that I falsify my diploma. I don't know from where he got the idea. And he told the newspaper that I falsify my diploma, which is not the truth at all. All my diploma are good diploma from good universities. And then they encaster me, and they arrested me that night, which is very humiliated and not human way. If they call me to come to the prosecutor or to the jail, I will come walking. You don't have to come and encastrate me and put that on the TV. It's not good for me and for any doctor on the island. And you know, they put me 10 days in the jail with criminal people, really criminal people, people who are dealing with the drugs and who's armed and who's killing killers. I don't know. And after 10 days, the judge said, okay, you can go out. So this accusation of falsifying diploma, it has no base at all. And how come somebody who has falsifying diploma invest 2 million and treat and teach all over the world? You can start. I gave lecture in Japan, South Korea, Dubai, Qatar. I gave lecture in Romania, in Egypt, in Lebanon. I gave lecture in California, in Nevada, in New York, and New Jersey. So next week, I am teaching in New Jersey for 20 orthodontists, American orthodontists. I teach them. And the week after, I teach in Dallas, Texas, 17, 18, for other group of orthodontists. So you cannot say that I am cheating. So if you cheat, you cannot have this knowledge. It's very much knowledge of advanced orthodontics.
What do you think that happens?
What's happened, I think it's more politics. I think that somebody, maybe Dr. Viejo, he sent a message, was one of the dentists I know, that, okay, that he is preparing something against me, but I do not take care of that. And he bring this guy that he is now working in his office. This guy, his diploma is not from United States, not from Europe. But what they did, that they put me in jail for 10 days, and during these 10 days, they said, oh, we don't have orthodontists now on the island, so they give him the permit. And
he's still in Aruba? He's still in Aruba?
He is in Aruba. He is at Dr. Viejo office. Viejo office, yes. But I met Dr. Viejo once. Dr. Marsman, I never met him. The minister, I never met him. But these people, just because I am maybe born in Syria, or I am, I don't know, I do not go with them for the party or this stuff, I don't know. But I am here as scientific, professional orthodontist. And this is what I was doing for 7 years. You cannot say in Aruba only. Before Aruba also I was practicing. But in Aruba only 7 years. And the first 4 years, they guaranteed, the government, the green government, they give me 3 years MB. And Dangi, he give me 1, and then he stopped. Why the reason? There is no motive, good motive to stop. So tell me, what is the problem? If you think that my diploma is not good, not enough, you can ask University of New York, how is his diploma? Unfortunately, what I blame the Ministry of Health, that the Department of Health and the inspection and the DVG, they don't hire any dentist or dental technician or dental nurse to look or to understand how, when we talk to them. They are all, yes, they have MB, they have diploma in law and this, but it is technical word, technical things. When I show you my diploma and you tell me, oh, it is Belgium or France, or you tell me something, it's not related. So how can I trust talking to you?
And you want to come back to work in Aruba? Are you working right now?
No, I am not working now, but I want at least to clear my name. I am.
In Aruba, you're working?
Yes, I want to clear my name, but maybe not coming back to Aruba to work. But I meet people, my patient in the street here in Aruba, and they are surprised. Like Chang, the store, the Chinese store Chang, she was almost crying. She talked to the other, my accounting, and she said, how come he treat my two girls and he is good and he's a professional? How come, what they did for him? So this is my question. What I did wrong that you don't like me just because I don't have the Dutch passport Dutch? From the first day I told you I don't have Dutch passport Dutch. From the first day when you hire me, you know that I am Canadian. I born in Syria, but born in Syria, it's just born. I don't have any diploma from Syria. I was surprised that they said now on DVG that we refuse your DVG because your diploma from Syria is not recognized. So it is like, it's politics things. They make politics things.
After clearing your name, you're gonna leave this like this?
Yes, after clearing my name, I will establish in the state. I have many propositions in the faculty, teaching in universities in New York and others, and I may stay in United States. I will not come back to Aruba, unfortunately, but I want my name to be clear. I am a professional. I did good job, and thousands of my patients can testimony my quality of job. So what is the problem?
You have any message to the government of Aruba?
My message to the government of Aruba to be more transparent, to be more democratic. And I want the government of Aruba to hire somebody of dentistry field in their department, because unfortunately they don't have anyone who understands what is dentistry. And maybe also what is doctors. I am not alone. The doctors also, Kaza doctors, they complain from the same things. That there isn't enough somebody to communicate with them, to transfer. I need to explain to this person that is good, understand. I want to explain to him what is my diploma. They said that my diploma from France is not a specialist. I said, my diploma from France has 44 years old. At that time, there wasn't a specialization.
You think they want to move you to fix the family?
They want to remove me to hire somebody else. It's no reason why they remove me. There is no reason. I am here working hard, working every day, doing good, high quality. I have many group of orthodontists came to Aruba to learn from me. I have many patients coming from Holland, from Australia. I have one patient came from Australia to Aruba, crossing all these to come and treated by me. And I have many Americans coming, especially to be treated by me. And then you said, I am not so good. So if I am not so good, it means that the University of New York is not good, University of Nevada is not good. All the people, I gave lecture last week in Austin, Texas, at the meeting Association of American Orthodontists. There was 400 orthodontists listen to me. 400, not 4 person. 400, I can send you the photo of that meeting. And they pay me $8,300 for 2-hour lecture. So you said I am not good? The government is not in a position to know what kind of diploma I have. That's why they claim that I am not good. But if they contact the people with whom I treat or I work, they will appreciate that I am here in Aruba, that I help and serve the people of Aruba was a privilege, and I was proud to be in Aruba and practicing and helping the people of Aruba. But now, for politics things, they put me out, and they accuse, what hurts me a lot, that they accuse that I falsified the diploma. And they call the media to come and take photo of me while I am arrested. It's not, this is what I ask you, Mr. Speed, to remove it, because it hurts me and it hurts my children, because my children is also doctors and they are also Kawaaiah. So when somebody go to Google and push Kawaaiah, it comes 4 doctors, me and my 3 children. And that is what hurts us. So please help me to leave the island on peace, and let me go and work in the state with peace. If you need my help, if you want me to stay, I will come to train somebody, I will come to help somebody, because the university, the new university, they just promised me to give me the dean of the university. Then there is a new dental faculty here, in the faculty school of dentistry, and they asked me to be their dean. Do you think that the director and the owner of this university, they are not crazy to give it to me if they don't know who I am qualified to do? So I ask the people of Aruba and the government of Aruba, please clear my name, and I am open to all discussion, but I am leaving Aruba in peace, please.